I like asparagus. A lot of people don't like asparagus because it kind of has an after effect sometimes, okay, and you'll explain why that happens. But what I like about asparagus is that it's so nice to eat.
Absolutely delicious.
It's very tasty. Now, you can grow them from crowns, and they call it a crown because it's like a thing like this, it looks like dead sticks and stuff. But I think it might possibly be easier to grow from seed, because it takes the same amount of time, by the way. And I just find that sometimes growing things from seed is just easier. What has been your experience? Have you grown from crowns, or
Never.
do you always grow from seed?
I always grow from seed, but once again, I'm using a very good quality seed. They grow, they germinate, it actually works. So I've never actually grown from crowns at all. You know that it takes about 4 years, 3 to 4 years, right,
from a crown,
before you can actually harvest seed as well. These seeds are amazing. I mean, they really, you can have your plant for 15 years, which is so amazing. So you wait a long time before you can harvest, but you have your plant for 15 years, and they're so cute.
Yeah.
You know, when they grow, they're like little fronzies. And in fact, the reason why some people don't like it is because their urine smells. The thing about asparagus is they actually are urinary tract cleansers. So if you have a urinary tract infection,
then
you can use
asparagus is good.
Well,
asparagus
you can actually use the fronds, exactly right, and cook them in water.
Any fronds of hers are friends of mine. This is the one thing you should think about growing, because it is just such a treat. But as you said, 3 to 4 years. Sometimes nature, you have to be patient.
Yes, patient.